So guys, welcome back to another video. Tomorrow I'm actually going to be going to the Thumb of Michigan, which is only about an hour away from me. I'm going to be filming a pheasant hunt. There's going to be 80 hunters there. We're going to see if we can't get any birds on the ground. My main priority is going to be taking photos, but I'm going to bring a GoPro, 2 GoPros and my drone, see if I can't slap a video together for you guys in hopes of making some awesome content. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoy this video, and it's gonna be a blast going out there. We're gonna be there from 8:30 to 3:30. I'm looking forward to it. Enjoy the video.
Hey.
Alrighty guys, so currently we're out here on the pheasant hunt in Michigan, the Thumb of Michigan. We probably put down, I'd say, 40 to 60 pheasants this morning, probably closer to 40, maybe 50. I'm not 100% sure. I just know there was piles of them coming out. You'll see some footage here. But anyways, I'm gonna throw the drone up in the air and get some B-roll footage for you guys so you guys can see what it actually looks like from above.
Probably another 15, 20 minutes.
Okay, so I can walk around for a minute?
Yeah.
Okay.
You just have to be careful. Once they have the horn go, then it becomes live. So you want to make sure you're back
Behind the blinds?
behind the blinds.
Okay. All right, cool. How you doing? Is it okay if I come in a little closer? Okay. That looks good. Hi guys.
12 years old. This one's 11 months today, and that one's almost 5.
Oh.
And then I have a male pup in the car.
Oh, really? Now, does this place, do they, because this is my first time here, I've never been to this location before,
Yeah.
but do they hire out like groups of dogs, or do they have their own dogs here?
They have their own. I'm
Okay.
actually part of just the retriever group on the tower shoots
Okay.
and the hill shoots. So
Okay.
I get called, you know, when they need me
Yeah.
on specific hunts. And
Right,
stuff.
right.
I love it. When it sounds like it's raining, some of it will actually hit you.
Yeah.
It won't hurt you, but it'll sting a little bit.
Yeah.
You got him. Good.
No. Load up.
Hold it.
Nobody sounds anything anymore. Bird. Here. Dog went after it. And he went straight on through.
shot. Right here, buddy.
This is the spot. Two of them.
It's down. It's down. It's down.
Something's moving the birds back over there.
Oh, there's steel coming, raining down. Alright guys, thanks for watching, thanks for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed the video and hopefully we can do this again sometime. It was definitely a successful day and I picked up some feathers so that my friend and brother can tie some flies with them. So, and I'll probably go over here and snag a few breasts or something. So anyways, till next time. What is it? Heck yeah.